we've got traffic coming in, right? And we take that traffic to our opt-in page. Okay? This opt-in page is simply making a free offer. Something I'm going to give away for free, whether it's an audio file, a video file, or a PDF file. We know PDF, promising them a free ebook or a free report converts the best.
Say that again slowly.
Okay. It's a free offer. So here I'm going to offer you 7 secrets to whatever.
But in what form?
It's up to you.
But you gave some options.
PDF, MP3, or a video. What converts best is to give them an ebook, PDF, a report or an ebook, whatever you want to call it. The only catch is, you have to write it or you have to get it written. That's the only catch there. So now what happens is the email ad. So 2 things happen. The actual email, the physical email that was typed in, is sent off to a database. That's your autoresponder. Okay? From there, which 2 things happen. They're put into a series of autoresponders. Okay? So they'll get day 0, immediately they'll get a message. Day 1, they'll get a message. Day 2, they'll get a message. And then they're also put into the ability for you to send them manual messages, which means you can log in at any point, type an email, and send it to everybody in your database at that time. Then what happens is physically the person, the visual of what they're seeing, they're going to be forwarded to some page, right? You just put your email in and you hit a button, so you expect something to happen. You got to go somewhere. Now you could go to a blank page that says thank you, which is a waste of time. So what we decide to do is we'd rather send them to a page that has a video on it that makes them an offer, gets them to buy something because we can make money that very minute. So it's going to forward them to one of these offers, whichever one you choose. So yes, you are giving them a PDF, but that's happening up here. That's happening through the email. But what we're doing down here is what we call the thank you page offer. So these are the 4 offers right now that are doing really well. There are other ones as well. I know that Tom has promoted another one that did fairly well. Here's the key you're looking for inside of ClickBank if you want a chance at the offer doing well as a thank you page offer. You're basically looking for one that has a decent gravity. I like to say gravity of 10 or above. Second, you're looking for a video sales letter. Okay, I have tested this over and over in the personal development space. Video sales letters out-convert a regular sales letter by like 3 to 1. Okay, now that doesn't go for every video sales letter. Some video sales letters don't convert because the copy is bad. Essentially, what I'm trying to say is you need to pick an offer, something that you endorse, that they will go to and see and have an opportunity to purchase. And if they purchase, you will make commission.